Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidy. If you guys are new here, please subscribe my channel, because chances are you might like my channel as well. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be doing some deep cleaning. This is just a deep clean, a day of my life, what I always do on an everyday basis. Like this, I really do this every day because my two kids always go tornado over here in this house, you know? So keep on watching, you guys, and I'll be there. So if you guys seen how messy my kids are in their own room, and my room is not so messy though, but it's alright. It gets messy too, and the living room is where we are usually at, so it gets very messy there mostly, and a bit crowded at times with just random stuff we put in because the door is right there, you know. And then kitchen is what we always cook, and so yeah, like bottles, dirty dishes. So I'm just gonna start doing some dishes. Oh man, I'm just being a disaster already. Right, the day of my life. Dishes, gonna keep doing those dishes. You probably be seeing my child under the table while I'm here trying to clean the table. He's just all running for his little leggy lives under the table. And then there goes my little helper, my first child. He just thinks this is very interesting, so I let him, encourage him. Encourage your children. If they're into cleaning, let them, because then they ain't no lazy people out there. Alright, you're about to see me go in disaster mode here. I'm here trying to put that fence behind there, but I didn't expect the land to go. Yeah, you guys already know what the hell. Cause you know it's glass, and I'm just like, holy shit! Oh my goodness! So I'm just cracking myself up, and while my kids are all like being chismosos, wondering what the mommy do this time. Alright, well guys, hope you enjoyed that little laugh. Hee 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 hee. So my closet's pretty crowded in there. I can't open that side, but I could barely open the other side, so some difficulties we have. Yeah, like we have a bunch of boxes there because we emptied out our storage and a bunch of children's toys, so when we packed out in the living room and their bedroom as well. But oh my gosh, look at how this turned out. Boom, 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 bam. Mommy life. Gotta keep things organized though. Look at oh, look at my babies. Oh, look at this. You know, this is nice. I love a clean house. Who doesn't love a clean house, you know? But I do this every day, you know? Oh, I forgot my damn dishes. Let me do this one more time. Boy, bam. I get tired doing this all the time. My hair starts getting sweaty. I'm sweaty. It's like a workout. But thank you guys for reaching to this end of the video. I'll be making videos weekly, so stay tuned and don't forget that subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. See you guys.